What's up guys, your favorite boy Fozal tip. Every time you see me you already know it's about tip, and today I'm coming with a lot of those tips. So this video is about how I've transformed the life of 100 people on how to make money through trading for free. I mean completely for free, from beginning stage where they didn't know anything about trading to the process of how they're actually using those real life strategy that I've given them to make real-time trade and take profit, and are actually paving a way for themselves. So stay tuned onto this video, turn on the post notifications so you'll be the first to watch my next video, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe so that YouTube will say that your boy is doing something good for the community, and they will push this video to a lot of people like you. It all started when I posted a video back in September that I want to train 100 people on how to make money through trading for free. And you guys know I'm from Cameroon. We had an upcoming presidential election back in October where a lot of people were against the current regime, so I offer this as a gesture that okay, if I'm from this place and I've been able to make it out for myself, I feel like a lot of people should not solely rely on the government and go out there and try to make something for themselves. We started all this and we have massive people started to be interested. I usually train people how to trade, but I've never teach a lot of people at once, so it was also a test for me to see how I can sharpen my skills on how to handle a lot of different personalities. It's been fun so far, I can tell you guys. So let's dive into it. After we posted this video and a lot of people were interested, it got to my attention that it was getting real. When I posted the video, I didn't know how fast this was going to happen, so I made a target that if we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to select this random 100 people. So we had a lot of people that were interested on learning this new skill. The moment we had this 1,000 subscribers, we let everybody know and the selection began, which this was purely luck. Again, like I'll tell you guys, I don't do no bias, I choose by luck, and we selected everybody that has been in this class so far by luck, which I would say some people probably didn't deserve this part because some people hasn't been really attentive. I want to be honest with you guys. Some people probably thought this was just going to be some, I don't know, some easy peasy or just for me to fit them or something. So we had our selection, which it was random, and we're able to pick 100 people to attend these classes for free. Since everything was going so fast, again, we started our class officially on October 1st. I'll show you guys some clip. Since then, we've been having a lot of classes on Zoom and we've been recording it, and it's been amazing. We taught them from the basic on what the market is, how to read the market, how to analyze chart, different types of market, different trading strategy, the psychological part, and currently now we are on live trading where we are actually having them use the real-time strategies that we've taught them, and they are taking trade and they're executing trades on their own based on what we taught them. It was never something like, come let me give you signals to make money. It was all about giving them the right knowledge that they needed to make this money. These are from students, they take profit, getting hit from a beginner of not knowing anything to having a take profit that has been hit. That is amazing, guys. That's incredible. And just like this one is also many other people that has been taking trades and executing trades on their own, and they'll now be able to change their life in one or the other way. It's crazy because somebody that only imagined this, they are now taking decisions on their own. I'll also show you guys this account that we started a couple days ago when we went live. So I will show you guys everything on this account that we've given purposely for our students, and we've been trading with them. We show you guys the real trade, real time, explain why we took the trade, explain why we exited, explain everything live to you guys. So we use weex, which I also leave my referral code down below. If you want to ever join, you're welcome. Use referral, your boy will get some bonuses. I have no advertisement deal with this company. The app is literally good, so I just love using it. Let's just show you what this account is, and we'll show you the transfer history and all of that. There is the account that we started on December. We have the transaction history for everything. We transfer $50 into this account. This is how this account looked like. This was on the 2nd of December 2025. You transfer $50 into this account. I'm talking about this trade that we've been taking. Our students have been giving us some of this trade, and they have been taking some of this trade themselves. Some of the trade that we took here were live in class, so they have been doing some other work by themselves. These are the numbers of trade that we've taken and the losses in the profit that we've taken so far, and I have the real dates on it. This year was the very first trade that we took. We took this trade and we took this loss. It was a short trade. It didn't go in our favor, which that was very okay. And you can see the risk management that we've given our student is so different. When you lose, you only lose a tiny bit of what you're trying to make, and you don't just lose that because you want to lose that. You lose that based on structure, invalidation, and stuff like that. So this was the first trade that we took. We had that invalidation and we failed and we got stopped out. We took the first trade at 10:30 a.m. on the 4th of December in the morning, and the next trade that we took was still on the 4th at 4:37 p.m. and that one was a winning trade for us. You see what we made, right? We made some good money there based on our risk reward ratio. So here comes again our next trade. We wanted to repeat history, but I'll also explain to my student why we took this trade. This was never a trade that we normally take, but we wanted to repeat this trade again because it gave us the second opportunity, and we actually took it and we got stopped out. Still see again the losses versus the win. There is a wide gap. On the 5th, we took another trade for Bitcoin, and also the reward is still greater than the loss. Same day, we took another trade again for Ethereum. Now this time we made again more than what we normally lose per trade. The next trade again was Ethereum. We lose that one. Look at the losses and look at the wins, way higher. Next trade again, we lost that one. Look at the loss, tiny bit, right? Next trade again, long trade. Look at the wins, way higher. And that was the next trade again, long trade. Look at the losses, tinier, little bit. Next trade, look at the win, high. So this is how we've taught our students on how to participate with the market. It's not rocket science. You can do it. It's not that hard. If we can do this, you can also do this. You need to have a defined system that you use, a system that when it fails you, you don't fight it, a system that when it fails you, you respect it. And we do all that in Fozal Tips community. It's not something that we hide. We teach you everything that we do in real time, and we are currently doing this account for educational purpose only, and it's very transparent. We record every trade that we take on this chart. We do everything live with our student. It's not like we're doing something behind the scene. So you can join the community if you just want to be part of the free community. We also put update on our Telegram channel, Fozal Tip Telegram channel, and if you want to learn real time on how to do and analyze all this and become profitable on your own way, make sure you send me an email on fozaltips@gmail.com. The website is still coming, and we'll be able to communicate with you and show you some love, so you'll be able to sit at your home, enjoying the nice view. You know what I mean? Sitting at your own office space, making your own money, making your own decision at your own time without no interaction. So make sure you send me that email and let's book you a session and get you started. Be proud of what you do, love what you do, be able to help somebody, share, smile, and share positivity to people's faces in any way that you can. And I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe as you stay watching my next video. Love you guys. See you guys soon. Peace.